Welcome boys and girls to our YouTube channel. If you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon below. Come on, let's enter into the video. In today's video we are going to see about how to earn online just by watching video and completing survey. Earnably, this is a most legitimate website and completely suitable for beginners. In this method we can earn money by doing surveys, quizzes, tasks, watching videos. Requirements: 1 smartphone or computer, 2 internet connection, 3 PayPal account. Method of earning: 1 surveys. There are countless surveys available on this website. They update more surveys daily. There are some portals which are there in the website which pays higher payouts and more consistent surveys. We have to concentrate on more specific portals for more earning without wasting our time. Peanut Labs, Theorem Reach. These 2 portals are highly preferable because they'll give points even for uncompleted surveys. Wannets. This portal contains huge number of surveys which pays around 60-90 cents per survey. Now let's see how to do it correctly. To quiz. There are more quiz available in some portals. They give you points instantly after completing a quiz successfully. KiwiWall. Agate Rewards. These 2 portals have more quiz and tasks and also has higher payout points. Now let's see how to do it correctly. Watching videos. This is the least considerable technique to earn money in this website. Still, it is effective for some beginner to earn money by watching ads. Now let's see how to do it correctly. Pros: 1. Minimum payout is $1. 2. We can earn up to 10% commission by referring our friends. 3. Complete beginner friendly. 4. No technical or typing skills required. Cons: 1. Average earning per day is $3 to $5. 2. We cannot make a lot of money by this method. Payout method with proof: in this website we redeem our payout in many ways, but best 3 ways are Flipkart, PayPal, and Big Bazaar. There are some of my payout proofs, you can check it. Now let's see how to do it correctly. I will show you my payment proof now. Notes: there are so many surveys available on this website. All we have to do is spend time for surveys. We can earn around $3 to $5 per by spending 2 to 5 hours time per day. There is a bonus for sign up using referral link. Join using our referral link to get sign up bonus instantly. Referral link in description, please check it. Stay tuned for upcoming updates for earning 6-digit income by using simple tricks. If you are interested in poetry, please check the link in description to know about Kavikuil. If you like this video, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon given below. Thank you for watching. Tamil Times is shining off. See you in the next video.